Hello students, in this class we are going to discuss about radio and its importance and how it's helping for rural people. Radio is regarded as to be the best and the most effective means of communication for rural audience in our country. Radio broadcasting has become almost a part of daily life. Radio as a media has great potential for creating awareness among farming population about new agricultural technology, changing attitudes, stimulating the listeners and motivating them to adopt. Radio script. Script writing is an essential part of the broadcasting. The script helps in putting your ideas in a logical sequences and keeps you informed what the listening audience is to be communicated, or in other words, what the message is. Principles. The following are the general principles for writing the script for farm radio programs. Writing for radio is an art to be learned. It is writing in spoken form. The listener should easily observe it. The listener must understand the conversation. Simplicity is essential. In normal speech, we use simple rather than complicated words and sentences. Repetition of the key ideas is essential. Avoid use of much statistics. Careful planning is essential. Maintain continuity of narration in writing a script. Modes of presentation: announcement, conversation, discussion, drama, farm news, farm school on air, futures, folk arts, interview, magazine program, music, questions and answer, quiz, and straight walk. Elements of an effective script. The first part should be designed to attract the attention of the listeners toward the subject proper. The second part may analyze the present situation, laying special emphasis on the problem encountered based on local needs. The third part may give our facts about the recommendation practices and their merits over the previous practices and try to win the confidence of the listeners. The fourth section may deal with an appeal to action. Finally, the script may end with a summarization of all the different parts and sections. Writing the script. Before writing, determine the purpose first. The objective should be clear. Know the type of listeners to be informed. Also, keep in mind the probable activity which they might be performing while listening. While selecting your subject, ensure that it is relevant, suitable to the agroclimatic condition, suitable to season, and reliable. Decide the mode of presentation. Collect all the possible related authentic information for writing. Be sure to include supportive facts and illustrations. Process the information by identifying the main points. While writing, remember that it is writing for the air one. Avoid academic style. Avoid jaw-breaking words. Prefer to use local information and experience of farmers. Keep listeners' viewpoint in mind at all times. Make listener realize the importance of the program. Be direct and personal. Use statistics sparingly. Be humorous. Time your script. Ideal speed of presentation is 125 to 160 words per minute. Repeat important details. Underline the words to be emphasized. Quote authoritative source wherever necessary. Don't cover many topics. Cut down the use of housing words. Mark the points where you are catch breath. Hold the attention continuously through writing words. Local example, appeal to emotions, keep material for this read. Add attention. First 30 seconds are crucial. Run down the information point by point. Fire imagination by presenting a picture through effective words of the situation. Before delivery, the talk rehearse it properly. If possible, record on a tape recorder and listen to putting yourself in the position of the listener. While delivering, let your copy to be typed in double or triple space and use only one side of the page. Punctuate your copy for easy delivery. End the page with complete sentence. Be informal. Be sincere in your expression. Do not talk down to listeners. Radio is a good source of communication of ideas to the rural people, especially in countries like India. They gave new bulletin special program for rural people, housewife and children. This is a good source of dissemination of agricultural information. Farmers are now organized under the joint auspices of All India Radio and the state community development departments. The All India Radio station published the journals Akashvani to give the meters and frequency in kill cycles on medium and short waves. Handing Radio Act. The Radio Receiving Act receives only one selected program at a time and conveys the same thought its speaker. The station is selected by tuner of receiving set, which the set is frequency of the station. The dial of the radio set is controlled by rotating the turning appearance on the cabinet. The entire broadcast frequency range is divided into number of bands, each band including a small range of frequency or wavelength. A selector, switch or knob incorporated in the cabinet of the radio. There is also an on and off switcher, a volume control and a tone control to the radio. In the most of the radio, the on and off switch of the volume control are incorporated into a single knob. Many costs of radio have socket in to accommodate the pickup jacks of the turntables when the recording and amplified by the amplifying circuit of the radio and reproduced through its speaker connected to the terminals of the output transformer. Power of radio. The radio can be operated by battery with altering current or direct current. For rural, where we have no electricity, dry battery set, the charging creates a problem. Installing radio. Aerial and earthing is very necessary for a sector work of the radio. Aerials can be outdoor as well as indoor. Outdoor aerial is better. It can be T and type or L type. T type is outdoor aerial. We can use 2 bamboos. We should never use 3 or iron pole for it. In case of portable radio, there is no necessary for outside aerial because it has a built-in aerial. In transistor set, there is no necessity of aerial. Earthing connection. It can be done by buying the end of the wire at least 1 foot deep underground. In case of portable radio, just connect a small length, a wire of earth lead classics. Operating a radio. Plug the radio to the power socket. Switch on. It will take some time to warm up the transistor. Set D not require time to warm up. Advance the volume control a little. If your radio has a magic eye, do not advance the volume control. Tune the radio to the frequency of the desired station by rotating the turning knob. News move to tunes when the volumes control is considerably advanced because it is the speaker gets damaged. The radio should face the group can be seated in a semicircle. Public speaking. A good speaker can influence people. Confidence and courage are necessary for making a good speech. Fear and discouragement create obstacles. Doing things which one fears to do can remove fear of the speaker. Better preparation may develop confidence. This preparation means assembling of thoughts, ideas, convention, experiences and urges. It requires concentration and thinking. Speaking in a class will prepare the student of extension for making speeches in the villages. The student should be motivated to speak by assigning some marks of the practical work for speeches in the class and villages. Preparation. Choose the topic of speech at least 7 days before the talk. Do not try to cover a large ground. Talk about the topic. Converse on the topic among with your friends. Think of your experience for illustration. Think of your audience, what they want and what can be their interest. Read and discover what others think about it. Select and arrange your material which have gained the above process. Assemble your thoughts which are desirable and which are timely with audience requirement, and discard the undesirable. Read extensively for have reserved information. Plan your speech. Write the speech and rewrite after polishing it. Read but do not memorize. Remember the main points. If necessary, write them on your card or paper. How to develop interest in the audience. Tell something new and interest of the audience. Introduce the topic of the audience. Use general illustration. Be neutral. Talk in conversational way. Emphasize on important words. Talk with specific topics. Secure goodwill by smiling and other humorous way. Crowd your audience together. Plot the physical arrangement like proper light, ventilation. As far as possible, do not keep other members of the platform. Do not roam on the platform. How to open foretalk the speech should have 3 points: introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction should be such it appeals directly and quickly, never begin with apology. Arouse curiosity by giving some factual ideas. Being with an illustration, shocking facts have great attention power. How to capture the audience. Eradicate all ill feelings. Get yes response from your audience. Do not challenge. Present the facts and let the audience from their own opinion. How to make meaning clear and to be impressive. As far as possible, avoid to use the technical terms. State your ideas if possible through visual aids. Be convincing and have a good suggestion. State your ideas in different words. Try to avoid contradictory ideas. State the ideas with enthusiasm and conviction. If necessary, make small things very large and large things small. Quote authority to support your statement. How to get action. Great power that a man can have it in the power to influence of the people for action. For this, draw attention of the people, gain confidence, be earnest, motivate them to act. Radio talk. Previously we discussed how to handle the radio. Here are concerned how an extension worker can help in giving good program and effective radio talk for the rural people. Radio is a device which with the whole mass can be efficiently and economically covered. Nowadays, with the increase in rural electrification and the number of radio sets in India is increasing greatly. Moreover, people are purchasing battery sets and they have realized that it is a good thing to have in the house. Therefore, it is a useful tool for extension work in rural areas. Radio can be demanded upon as an extension tool because majority of our rural people are illiterates. Many villages lie in the interior place and there are very few to enjoy in their ideal period. Radio can give them recreation and information, etc. Speeches of great leaders, agricultural experts, educators can transmit it to them by means of radio. News regarding important information can be conveyed to a large number of people at a low price. Great number of people can be attracted as it has a greater appeal. People participation in extension programs can be stimulated and their attitudes can be changed. Above all, education can be successfully blended with entertainment. Broadcasting time in radio. The best time for broadcast for the rural people should be in the evening time between 6 to 8. At this time, majority of them are free to listen and usually assemble at their sitting places. Duration of program may be an hour. For making the program successful, it is necessary. It should be based on the needs of the people. It should be presented in an interesting way. It should be educated and it must have clarity. Topics of broadcast for rural people: weather forecast, current market report, farming information on improved varieties, fertilizers, tools, etc. and the time and the manner for their use, contagious disease in animals and their protection, legislation and the changes in the policy regarding agriculture, facilities like credit for purchase of animals, fertilizer seeds, repair and construction of well, etc., available to the farmers from the government programs and other agencies. Best time to certain farm operation, application of fertilizer, green manuring, control of pest, diseases, etc. Information about exhibition crop competition being organized by the State Department of Agriculture and District Administration. Presentation of talk in an interesting way, information on fruits preservation. There are two styles of presentation, with the help of script and with the help of discussion. The type of presentation is decided by the time available of broadcast, subject and persons involved. A certain subject to be best handled as a straight talk. Another may be done by two-way interview or discussion to the farm families. For maintaining the interest, there should be variety in the programs. There may be different segments, each to connected with each other smoothly. It should be remembered that the style of communication through the medium is essential, conversational. Its purpose is to communicate ideas. There should be clarity of organization and logical step-by-step relation of ideas. In presenting information, start with facts and relate with the subject, point by point, and each point leading to the next. Start from the known and unknown. Simple organization to talk allow the listener to follow every word. Best principle of broadcast. This can be summarized in three parts: clarity, vividness, and variety. Short, simple sentences, familiar words, straightforward ideas, repetition of important facts, examples, and illustration, and not too many ideas will make the talk more effective. Do not use different terms and words. Purpose of your talk is convey an idea or its meaning to the rural people who are illiterate and have few words in their language. To attract and hold listeners' attention, use graphics, concrete picture words, fresh approaches, examples, illustration and anecdotes. Appropriate humor, explanation, variety in rising up and down and telling the talk in an interesting way will impress people. Preparing the script, it should be prepared that on listening, it should be as though someone was talking new in a friendly manner and informal style. First, collect the materials from your experience to visit the places like farm, library, etc. Then arrange it in a proper order. Then in an exact size, leaving some materials unused which can be taken up in case to finish earlier. Do not fail to include supporting or illustrative facts or backup to the main points. And lastly, do not try to tell that you know about the subject. Time is limited and you have to emphasize one idea at a time. Try to make the listening public understand what you mean. Repeat what necessary. Be sincere and friendly. Talk on personal basis. In a dialogue, never use statistics tables. In an interview, do not frame such questions with the audience know. Do not follow the answer with an unrelated questions. Do not hesitate to stop or repeat if necessary. Other points of importance. Script should be written legibly in bold type. Keep your voice at the room level. Speed should be normal. When the mic is to be moved and you need a change in the arrangement, take permission of the studio in charge or ask him to do it. Do not whisper or talk while someone is broadcasting. Try to find our defects and shortcomings of your pronunciation and correct them next time. But do not bother about them while actually broadcasting. If you have a cough, signal the operator so that he will put off the mic of air for a while. Keep the broadcasting slightly flexible so that you can extend or shortcut as required. Be at ease before the mic. Relationship between rural radio and agriculture and rural development. In order to achieve change, farmers and rural community need to be informed on an importance of adopting new practices. Attempt by extension to cause change through demonstration forms and working with communities have not to be sufficient and to bring about changes in attitude. Radio has often been used to complete the effort of the extension worker. However, the use of radio as a mass media has its limitation reach in certain areas. However, the use of radio as a mass media has its limitation such a poor signal, limited reach in certain areas, top-down approach, limited airtime and inappropriate programming. This calls for a shift in the use of radio from mass media to community center. Taking part of any of the already mentioned forms, rural radio encourages villages to take an active part in the development process or even to take their own initiative to improve their living condition in their communities. Since most farmers have not to be in school, rural radio acts as a substitute for formal education. Rural radio enables communities to articulate their experiences and critically examine issues and policies affecting their lives. For example, a community can use the radio to highlight the new agricultural policies. These policies can be debated upon and discussion. Using radio, an immediate feedback can be given for relevant authorities to take action. In case of whether extension worker may not be able to reach, rural radio takes on the role. Here, a community can be given a recording to substitute the extension worker who has not been able to reach the community. Vital information for agricultural development can be passed on through the use of radio, such as agroforestry, better harvesting methods, soil conservation, marketing, post-harvest handling, and diversification. Since rural radio targets the specific community, geographical area of interest, and then the languages of choice can be used to ensure that the message is clearly understood. Therefore, rural radio gives you the option of using the prevalent languages. There are varied dimensions of scientific jargon. It is able to explain the research in simple and ordinary language that people understand. Since rural radio is community based, it can be used to mobilize people towards community development work. Example, construction of dams, protected wells, and immunization of animals. Rural radio can be used to disseminate agriculture research in the following ways. Research findings can be distributed through radio to non-governmental organizations dealing in agriculture, extension workers, farmers themselves, academic institutions. Rural radio can make the link between researchers and extension workers by offering information on where research can be obtained and used, how to pass on users, communicate feedback regarding research. Rural radio can be used to collect feedback from communities. Through programs, farmers give their response to research. Farmers share their experience on use of research. Rural radio air out farmers' views and recommendations on how to improve the research and communication provided. Communication provide alternatives depending on their experiences. Radio can also used to announce process by research extension workers. Give venues for meetings with extension workers. Advice on where to get inputs and services. Advice on where to get technical support. Constraints. Rural radio is expensive to manage. One must have enough finance to run this kind of community-based broadcasting because it involves dealing with people who may not have communication skills. Translate message into various languages is not an easy task. One needs to have people who are all well versed in the language. Lack of collaboration among researchers, extension staff, and communicators may hinder smooth operation of rural radio. In summary, one can say rural radio contributes in creating awareness of research findings, mobilize community to best practices, simplifying research findings and translating into user language, and radio linked with NGOs to various community, extension to community, research to extension, and researchers to community. and government to community on various issues.